Hey y'all, back again with the Gold Star. 70 degrees out. It's the data sheet. 6500. Okay. This time we're doing it in my shed because I can't take it out. My dad has to do it. I can't do it. Sorry, my live video was paused. Anyways, we will go ahead and turn it on. So, what we're gonna do is, we might just turn it on. Typical Frigidaire. I mean, Gold Stars. Since I do the, should we do the Gold Star? Yeah, Gold Star first. LG Rotary Electronics. Here we go. Oh, what's up, Jack? As soon as the compressor came on. This isn't just a rattle shaker. Compressor's not sounding bad. What, Nikki? Does it look like I'm doing? Yes, it's my shed now. So.
No, now it's my shed. My shed is Obi's shed.
Alright, Nikki, it's enough. What's up, Uncle Anthony? I'm not bad. This energy saver and high cool. Is it blowing hot? Oh, it's warm. Can't see the Gold Star badge on there, but it runs perfect fine. Runs perfectly fine. I mean, okay, so what I was trying to say is, I don't know what to say. I'll put it back to local. What the hell? Yeah, it's nice out. Have it on. Oh, it's getting ice cold though, because it's dry. Oh my god, that is just. Oh my, look at this. Oh my god, it's hot. Back to cool, back to. Alright. Fan left to local. And we'll do a compressor shutdown. Alright. It's a 2005 Gold Star. 6500 BTU. Compressor off. Put it back to fan though. We'll put it on fan. I got to put the fan. Who is this? Nah. Here's low fan. It's a high fan. Sorry, but if you hear any wind, just tell me. And then next we'll do the Arctic King. What's my favorite Fortnite skin? Of course, it's Renegade Raider because I mean, like OG players have it. Hold on, let me unplug it. And I do have two. Yeah. Yeah. No. All right, we'll do the other one. My brother is out there and my dad is. Hold on. Oh. Okay, good.
Hey, Jay.
What, Nikki?
How's your day?
What? Let me see that.
Nothing.
Man, you tricking me, dude.
It's nothing.
Alright.
Okay.
Favorite nuggets. What's my favorite food? Pizza rolls with chicken nuggets. Alright, we will start on low fan. Okay. We'll start on low fan. Put my pocket. What, Nikki? Stop! Jesus. We'll start on low fan first, though. We might start in between. We'll put. This is the. Or can. What day is she? Oh, here it is. So I think this is like manufactured in 2013. Hey, Dino Buggies. I eat the Purdue ones actually. The ones I get from ShopRite. What?
Why you look like that?
I don't know. Here's the Arctic King, 5,000 BTU. It's the smallest unit.
Why you have two of you?
I have both of these, so these both are mine.
What's mine?
You don't have one. You have
I
to.
have one.
Which one?
It's in the shed over there.
That's a central air unit.
No. Wait, Java's Moon. I have one Java's Moon. I got
Yeah, right.
100. I got 100 of Java's Moon.
Yeah, right.
And 6 pillows.
Whatever you say, bud. Okay, we'll get the compressor. Oh, got a Q&A question. Dogs. I prefer dogs.
But
What? Let me see that. Come on, Nikki. Live stream. I'm live streaming.
you no. Come on. Come on, want to see it?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
What did you do?
I'm showing the grass.
I wasn't really expecting. Whatever. Alright, we will start high cool, I think. Hey, Anthony, don't say that. Alright, we will start on low fan. Now, actually, we'll start on the cooling segment.
Is it okay?
What, Nick?
I saw you.
We'll start in between speeds.
Look, this is you.
Stop! Alright, look cool. This is GMCC Rotary. Who joined up? Oh. Alright, put it to low. High fan, I mean cool. Oh, that's freezing. This is the exact unit that I took apart and then I put it back on. And this unit has actually been in the shed for quite a while now. Put this on top. What the hell? What the hell? The Gold Star, one day I'll do a cleaning video of it. One day I will. What, Nikki? I'll do a cleaning video one day on the gold star. To my large viewers out there. Blue. Blue is my favorite color because of Mordecai Rigby. That's my profile picture. His hair. Like, I feel like this side, this part of the EC, the vents right here, like, not at cold. This is just like, this is just cold. Look at that. GMCC rotary compressor on it. Alright. What, Nikki?
AJ!
Stop. This is like 40 degrees, dang. Like for like this side, like I don't feel no between of difference. Like this side right here, it's just like almost 50, and this side's like freaking 40. Alright, that's high cool. Put it on low. Stop. Blue lives matter. Jack. Dad? Alright, never mind. What? How much degrees is it? It's not that cold.
Not being outside.
Okay, never mind then.
Too much cold.
Okay then. We'll get something to stand it up with. Sure.
It's 70 degrees, it's not.
We'll get this to stand it up my phone with. What are you doing? Okay, and towards the compressor piece here.
Daddy, I want to color those.
You want what?
I want to color the doves.
What do you want to do?
I want those. I want those out, and I want to pick one.
Alright, move those.
I want the blue one. Well, I like the mine is the blue one.
And get whatever one. Go. Get them.
Okay.
I don't know why you have to do it upside down. Put this upside down.
I'm getting.
Okay.
Do you want this color?
It's not fan.
What are you doing?
What did it kick out? It's gonna rattle, so you gotta watch out, Dad. It's gonna rattle. It's gonna be a little loud because the cable is the thing that's sitting on it. All right.
Those over there. Over there is the. You see what's over there?
We have it on 60 degrees, so we'll have the filter thing out. Wish I could just take like the front grill off, but I don't know if there's a way how to take the front grill off. Alright, we will kick it on now. this is not a slide-out chassis. One of those jump freezer chills. If I had a freezer chill like a 6,000, there's no 6,000. Oh, Santino joined me. It'll get loud, probably get loud whenever you keep it on. Yeah, that's cold. Oh, what's up, Riley? Is this fan high cool? It's probably gonna get louder whenever it's, yeah, it's on high cool right now, so. The back hot? Oh my god, that's hot! Well, not that hot. Well, it's just only 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. Might just end the stream here. Alright, shut it down. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching my stream. If you didn't like my stream, you can like it whenever you want. This is your chance to like it, because why not? This is probably going to be the last day I'm running this Gold Star, because, like, all week it's supposed to get cold. All week it's supposed to get cold, and it's fall season. So yeah, I guess see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Out. Okay.